Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a quick update of what's been happening. The chassis system, PS2 Hopper, PS2000 just had its wheels cleaned. That one has been assembled together. Now I'm also working on various projects right now. The Norfolk Southern boxcar just got its chassis work fixed on it, and I've also got the wheels and the alcohol. I found a CSX caboose that I've had for a while, just missing some handrails. That's a Walthers mainline, and I'll be getting handrails for this and getting its wheels cleaned. This TTX piggyback car made by Walthers, just found this cleaning up. That's getting ready to get its wheels cleaned. And now this one was a really surprise find. This is an old Athearn ready to roll ACFX tankers. The car has seen better days, and I apologize for the way it looks. But I've been working on the handrails, and I've got the wheels and the alcohol, and you can see these have got to be the worst yet. Look how nasty those things are. A lot of dirt, a lot of dust, and the screw heads have actually been cleaned as well with some alcohol to eat up the dirt and maybe a little bit of rust that might be on there. So that part's been done. That's going to be sitting in alcohol for possibly a good couple of days because there's a bunch of dirt on those. So it might be 2 days on that one. The Norfolk Southern one was put in last night. They should be ready to come out of the alcohol sometime later. So working on some projects, getting some few things done. I've also cleaned the wheels on this guy, this SCL covered hopper. I forgot who manufactured this, but it was pretty cool. I found it somewhere for like $8. Might be getting some new couplers for this one with some knuckle couplers on it so we can run it with my STL box car. So anyway, guys, a lot of projects continuing to happen, so be on the lookout for more updates. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.